each one of them does it. So I'm not picking on one party and one news organization. It doesn't matter where I stand, they do it. So here you see an opposite story. Again, it's one person. Her opinion that South Dakota's farmers want Trump to win. What's the implication? What do they want me to believe here? Yeah, all farmers are going to vote for Trump. That's what. So they're telling opposite things with one person's story. That's called anecdotal evidence. How could we find out if it's true or not, what they're trying to make me believe?
Yeah.
Survey.
Say again?
A simple survey, just asking who you plan on voting for, and then send it to all the farmers to fill out.
So survey. So the research question is, let's find out who farmers are voting for. You could survey them, do a poll, right? Could you survey all farmers?
Farmers from South Dakota, in this case.
Right, these would be farmers from South Dakota. Is it possible to survey all farmers?
No.
Probably not. So what would we have to do?
Random selection.
A certain amount from each area, so like some from the Midwest, some from like Northeast, some from the South.
So you have to randomly get, and that becomes really hard, right? Because, you know, are you going to call them their cell phones? How are you going to reach the farmers? Are these the only reachable farmers? We have trouble like this when we're in our research studies. How are we going to find the data we need to find? But you can understand, like, you know, how to answer this question using statistics. So, when I look at things in my research, I look at it as how do we know these things? What is it we want to know? That's where we start. So first, what is it that we want to know? In that the case of the example I brought for you, it was about farmers, right? Who are they voting for? Let's take a little break here before this. Like, if you have your cell phones, use your cell phones. If you have your computers, use your computers. Bring out news feeds and see if you can find something on there that does this anecdotal evidence trick. I mean, it seems hit or miss for me whether I can find it or not, but I find it. See if you can find it on your own phone, on your own news feeds.